Hello people of YouTube, this is my Yamaha DT125 and I just had an engine rebuild with a few new stickers, new rear indicators, new tyre, new discs. I just had a new power valve cap put on, which is just inside there because it was snapped, and it still makes a bit of a noise now, to be fair, but it's nothing to do with the engine, it's just the cap making a noise when it starts up. Don't know if you heard that, but yeah, it seems to be, the engine's working perfectly fine now. I had the carb cleaned out, but yeah, I'll try and start it. The engine is warm. I just took it out for a ride, so I've only done 30 miles. I gotta do 300 miles, but to run it in. Yep, so that's it. Please comment, rate and subscribe. I will be doing videos soon on this, so please comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you.